Something I wish I learned when I started crocheting. Instead of making chains and working in the stitch, make a double crochet foundation chain. Start a double crochet foundation chain by creating a slip knot and then chaining 3. Insert the hook into the back loop of the first chain yarn over and pull through the stitch. Yarn over and pull through one loop. This makes the base chain. Now work a double crochet like normal. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops to make a double crochet. Now repeat. Insert your hook into the chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Repeat until you reach the length of the chain you need for your project.